Alright, everybody's always asking us how we get our dog up into our rooftop tent at night. Here's our nightly routine. We take off his shoes. We have the wifey waiting up there, ready for him to be brought up. So I lift him over on my shoulders, and then I start carrying him up, and then I'll slowly climb up there while she's ready to grab him. Slowly bring him up one step at a time, and I'm ready to release. There you go, turning him around, and he'll just go right in. I climb back down, and that's how you move a 65-pound golden doodle up there. Getting ready to shut down for tonight.